This exclusive design is available only to registered members. As a valued member, you'll gain access to comprehensive architectural drawings and professional design support to ensure your project meets the highest standards of aesthetics, functionality, and comfort. Experience a home concept that embraces modern minimalism with a tropical touch, designed for those who seek both style and practicality. This two-story residence with a rooftop embodies modern minimalist tropical architecture, thoughtfully designed for a 12 meters by 15 meters plot. The exterior adopts a sleek, modern, minimalist aesthetic, incorporating large balconies that provide shade while allowing ample space for tropical greenery, blending functionality with visual harmony. This design balances open spaces with privacy, promoting a comfortable lifestyle perfectly suited to a tropical climate. The ground floor features 2 dedicated parking spaces, a charming small garden combined with a barbecue area, and an inviting outdoor dining and reception space. Inside, the layout flows seamlessly, connecting the living room to a cozy courtyard with a small koi pond. The kitchen and dining area offer a warm communal space, while 2 bedrooms provide relaxing views of the garden. The first floor offers a serene master bedroom with a spacious balcony that welcomes the morning sunlight. 2 additional bedrooms also enjoy tranquil garden views. Yours, a large front terrace extends the living space, while a family room and a laundry room provide added convenience. The rooftop is designed for both wellness and social gatherings, featuring a well-equipped gym and an open-air space ideal for relaxation or parties. A dedicated technical area is strategically placed on the west side. We sincerely appreciate your trust and support for NHAKIEN. Your commitment inspires us to continue delivering thoughtful designs that blend modern aesthetics with practical living solutions. We're dedicated to providing you with detailed drawings, expert guidance, and innovative ideas to help you create the perfect home. Thank you for being a valued member of our community.